Nigga Production.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kevlar 82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today I'm back out here again, Hesperia, California, 3.8 performance, dude. Getting some more stuff done to the Genie. Today, as you can tell in the title, I'm getting my intake manifold painted, and it's a little extra custom touch or whatever. Dustin Davis hooked me up with my he ported and polished my throttle body. So you're gonna get to see that. I'm gonna show you a little bit of before and after of the throttle bodies, what you can look forward to, whatever. You get a little bit of gain, a little bit better airflow with everything like that. But I'll let you know right now, and we're also going to be doing I'm gonna show you guys, I did a heat shield wrap on the bottom of the manifold or whatever to keep it cool air. These mods are specifically for keeping the engine temperatures cool, which basically gives you better power delivery. It's not one of those things where you put it in and you're like, oh, I get 510. We're doing something, we're keeping the engine temps down, which keeping my power up there, you know. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into it and get started. Yeah, so we're gonna be painting my manifold. I decided I want to paint it black before we put it back on, so he did some cleaning. What did you use to clean it? Or what was that? Was that engine degreaser?
Just engine degreaser from AutoZone.
Yeah, so use some engine degreaser and wash it in some water and then dried it off, you know.
So we're not gonna sandblast it because sandblasting is too harsh since it's a soft aluminum. So we're just gonna use an 80 grit glass bead. So we're gonna bead blast it basically. Just want to clean off all the dirt, surface crap.
All right, so this is what it looks like after we sandblasted it. We're about to hit it with a coat of flat and then the primer. I'm gonna show you the can right now. All right, so this is what I got. Shout out to my homie Kiran VK2_minutes. Actually hooked me up with this, whatever. I had it sitting in my garage and actually what I needed, so it turned out that this actually is gonna work for the for this right here. So I'm gonna show you real quick, just small clips to show you guys. So I wanted to show you guys the proper way to cover it up. Basically, you see where you taped everything up. Yeah, I didn't film that process because it's self-explanatory. Cut the edges off, you know what I mean? So first, what are we gonna hit it with? We're hitting it with.
We're just gonna use some flat black.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna hit it with.
We'll get a base coat with some flat black. It's got primer in it.
Yeah.
And then we'll go back over it with the semi-gloss U-brass.
Yeah. So we're doing a flat black, just like the can I showed you before. But this one's flat black, and then we're gonna hit it with the semi-gloss afterwards. So hit it with 2 coats. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so here we are. It's all dry. So what did we do? How many coats did we put on it?
We just did 3 coats. We did 2 coats of a flat black because it's very forgiving. It goes on quick. It dries. It's got primer in it. And then after that, then we did just a light coat of your semi-gloss just to give it the sheen that you want.
All right. Looks good. I like it, man. Yeah. Go ahead and put it in.
So one of the other heat mods that you can do is applying some of this heat shield to the bottom of the upper manifold. So when this is on the car, this extends over the head on the passenger side. So all the heat from that head is just blasting up to the underside of this manifold. So I have a forum post talking about the data before and after comparing this. So before the heat shielding, just cruising around, the temperatures inside of the manifold were 100 to 140 plus, and that's at wide open throttle when all of the cool air is coming in. So it was really hot in there. Afterwards, you put the heat shielding on, the inside temperature, or temperature inside the manifold, is the same as the outside temperature, so the ambient temperature. So I'll see if I can find a link to that forum post and put that in the description as well. But this is one of the most effective heat protection modifications that you can do to your 3.8.
All right, y'all, so check this out. I'm gonna do a quick comparison. As you guys know, he actually does throttle body porting polish, so you see a comparison of whatever my stock one and one that he just finished up for a customer or whatever. Yeah, so it's pretty ridiculous, man. The difference is ridiculous, man. It's awesome. Love it. That's it. Just a quick little clip on that. So I'm gonna show you guys the ported manifold. I mean the ported throttle body. Let's see what it looks like. Did a real good job on it. Free up a little bit more power. All right, so here it is, man. Here's the new look for the engine bay. As you can see, he painted the throttle body, the yellow. Got the black and yellow. So yeah, now I can actually pop my hood with pride when I go out to meets and stuff. I got at least a little bit of something to show off, you know. So, and then don't mind the wrap. I'm not too sure. I'm probably gonna take that off, and you know, eventually I'm gonna get my 3.8 performance intake or whatever, so I don't have to worry about it. But for now, that's the heat wrap. It's not the best looking, but I bought it like that. Someone already heat wrapped it for you guys that don't know. But yeah, there you go. All right, so that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Dude, I had an awesome time, man, working on the car, man, getting some stuff done. Actually took my stock cats back off, and I'm running my my test pipes right now or whatever. Basically save that for another video. I'm gonna be doing a comparison between the stock cats and the test pipes or whatever. So Dustin Davis hooked it up with the test pipes and resurfaced them for me and everything like that. Make sure everything's buttoned up cool. The car is running like a complete beast right now. I'm running full race mode right now, dude. Oh my goodness, dude. And another thing too, if you guys have not seen my my decal for the back of my car, dude, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Bam. So yeah, there you go, man. I got Kevlar 82 TV. Follow me on Instagram, Kevlar 82 on all social media, and including TikTok, man. So that's gonna be it, man, for today's video, dude. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was informative, dude. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the content. Make sure you hit the like button, man. Show me some love, dude. Follow me on all social media. You know what it is, dude. It's your boy, man. Remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glasses half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. Kevlar 82 TV. Peace. Woohoo! I put my test pipes back on, y'all, man. Woohoo! I ain't playing. I got my test pipes back on, baby. Test running the 3.8 performance Jenny. I think it sounds nice. like it's got a turbo, man. NH feels like a turbo. That thing sounds raw, man. Pure race car, man.